What's up guys, it's Jose Zuniga from Teaching Fashion, and for today, I'm going to share with you some of my personal healthy hair care tips that I think every guy should know and also implement. If you want to have luscious, beautiful, silky hair that you can actually style, here are some tips you're going to want to do to make sure it's healthy. Number one, use some sort of oil. It could be coconut oil, castor oil, Moroccan oil. There's several types of oils out there. But what you want to do is basically infuse your hair with some natural oils that will make it luscious and healthy. For example, something like castor oil is enriched with vitamin E and essential fatty acids like omega-9, all of which promote healthy hair growth. So whatever oil you do choose, you can gently massage it in for a couple of minutes. It's actually pretty relaxing, and leave it in for 30 to 45 minutes. Then just shampoo it out, and immediately you're gonna notice how softer and more silky your hair is. But that leads me to number two. You wanna massage that oil in, or just massage your hair and scalp in general. You can use something like from our sponsor VitaGoods called the Grove to gently massage your scalp and hair on a daily basis. Massaging your scalp comes with tons of benefits. One of them, and why you're watching this video, is because it makes your hair healthier and actually promotes hair growth. When you massage your scalp, you're increasing the blood flow in your scalp, which triggers healthy hair growth. Massaging also helps distribute the natural oils in your hair, both the ones you apply or the ones your hair produces, to give you a natural luster and even help control or even eliminate dandruff. Now, one thing you're gonna notice with the scalp massager, that the more you use it, the more kind of addicting it is, because it feels so good. And when you mix it with some sort of essential oil, like I was saying in the previous tip, it's kind of like a two-in-one. You're knocking out two birds with one stone. What I like to do, I apply some sort of coconut oil through my hair, and then I use a scalp massager to evenly distribute it through my scalp and my hair. What you're gonna notice, like I said, it's relaxing, it's stress-free. When you do it consecutively, you're gonna notice that after the first couple of times, a week or 2 weeks, your hair is just gonna take a tremendous turn from being dull, brittle, and broken to healthy, luscious, and beautiful. That's pretty sweet to me. And here's something even sweeter. I got you 50% so you can actually buy this massager for only 20 bucks. Instead of paying 40 bucks like everybody else's, you can use that special code and link that's gonna be down below so you can get this hair scalp massager for 50% off. That's amazing. Like I said, if you want something that's gonna promote healthy, beautiful, longer hair, this is something you're gonna want in your tool chest. The third thing you're gonna wanna do to have healthy hair is to cut your hair regularly. Yes, even if you're trying to let it grow out, you're going to want to regularly visit the barber shop. This is, one, gonna make you look and feel fresh. A new fresh haircut just makes you feel good, makes you feel on top of the world. But two, it's gonna make your hair healthier, because on average, from a lot of heat, chemical products, and just bad usage, you end up damaging your hair and causing a lot of split ends. Well, to avoid those split ends from growing and ruining the whole strand of hair, you want to go regularly into the barbershop so you can get at least your ends trimmed. These are going to cut off any split ends you have and make sure that the hair stays healthy, beautiful, and natural as it grows. Number four, only use quality hair products. And this is anything from shampoo to conditioner to the styling products that you're using or any other chemical to nourish it. Have you ever noticed when you change your shampoo and conditioner, after a week or so, your hair starts feeling dry and brittle and you have no idea what it is? Well, it's most likely the products that you're using. This is because a lot of major brands use cheap fillers and products to increase their profit margins at the expense of your beautiful, luscious hair. So we set out to fix this, and I hinted it across my Snapchat and my Instagram and a little bit here and there. We're gonna start a grooming company. A company that's actually honest with high quality products that you can use on your hair that's actually gonna nourish them. And let me tell you, this stuff will make your hair look amazing. Now, I don't want to reveal too much about it because we're still in the testing stages, a lot of samples. One thing I can tell you, this stuff is 100% original to our company. It's not gonna be some sort of white label stuff we're putting our label over. We wanna make sure these products are safe and healthy for your hair. And even though it's way more expensive for us right now with all the marketing and R&D we have to do, but we're going through multiple samples, it's gonna be a game changer. The fifth thing you're gonna wanna do is to gently dry your hair when you step out the shower. When your hair is wet, it's more brittle, which tends to be more vulnerable and weak. One common mistake most guys make when they step out of the shower is they grab the towel and they aggressively dry their hair as quick as possible. this leads to breakage and those split ends that you want to avoid. So what I recommend when you step out the shower, gently dry your hair, or even better, pat dry. And if you want to make sure your hair is healthy as possible and avoid split ends, I would use a t-shirt. Since t-shirts don't have like that terry cloth fabric to it, it won't get tangled into your hair and won't cause any of that breakage or split ends that a towel will. And finally, number 6, you're going to want to protect your hair against the chlorine. So summer is coming, which means a lot of pool parties, guys going to the pool, you want to refresh yourself. And I'm not stopping you from having fun, but what I do want to stop you is from messing up your hair. And chlorine can be very damaging to your hair. It dries it out and it dries up your scalp, which leads to unhealthy hair. So what I personally like doing before I go to the pool, I like to coat my hair with coconut oil. Not only will the coconut oil nourish my hair, since it's a natural oil, but the oil will act as a natural blockage against the chlorine water from ever even seeping into my hair. What you're gonna notice is that once you're down in the pool, you go home, you shower, and shampoo that coconut oil out, your hair is not gonna be dry, it's actually gonna be nourished and even softer. And that's basically it, guys. Those are the top 6 things that you're gonna wanna do to make sure your hair is always healthy. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out that scalp massager I've been using from Vanity Planet. I'm going to have it linked down below. That's it for me today. See you next time.